CYN. This is one that we've traded a bunch. I recognize this ticker. This is Cyngn. This thing popped up towards 220, back down. It's really kind of consolidating here, not breaking down yet. So I guess that's good. We're holding right along the 9 EMA. We're basically oscillating between to and through the VWAP. Stock does have earnings in 2 weeks. So if you're going to trade this again, make sure you have that factored in. News here today. With sales momentum accelerating, Cyngn is on track to sell more in Q1 than all of 2025. They announced continued commercial momentum for the autonomous vehicle solutions driven by expanding customer developments, increasing utilization across existing sales, and accelerating sales activity entering the year. Stock is holding higher here by 23.75%. Quick peek at the short interest. It is high on this one on both counts. 24.48% of the float is shorted with 6.54 days to cover. So indeed, we do have some short squeeze potential. Now, on average, stock trades 2.67 million. Today, it's traded 26.32 million, and the float is 7.24 million. 13, you got any thoughts here on CYN?
It sounds and seems very similar to Aurora Innovation, the autonomous semi-truck software company that already has routes going from Dallas to Houston and Houston to El Paso, with expansions planned for Phoenix. I don't think this company is as far along as they are, but it seems like they're pretty much in the same wheelhouse there with their autonomous vehicle solution software. Company does have some short interest here, where at least it was showing up for me. Yeah, for 24, almost 25% of the float shorted with over 6 days to cover. So we could see some more squeezing action happen here. They do have earnings in 14 days, which is going to be, if you're interested in this company, it's going to be something you want to pay attention to, because we need to see that they are generating revenue. We need to see that they are getting cash on their balance sheet, because that is one of the things that they do not have a whole lot of.
Okay.
They aren't showing a whole lot of revenue right now on their income statements, but I'm hoping that that changes. I don't have a position in this, but I'm hoping that changes, because it would be good to see a competitor with Aurora Innovation. But they do lose several million dollars a quarter, and based on their current balance sheet holdings, they do have about a little less than $5 million in cash, but they have about $30 million in short-term investments that likely can be converted into cash. So they do have some capital available, but it's if you take everything into consideration, it doesn't look like it's going to be more than a few quarters at this current cash burn rate. So we need to see their revenue show up. Otherwise, they're going to have to raise capital in the future.
Okay, good stuff there. CYN.